If you woke up late today and spent last 3 hours scrolling on your phone and now you're feeling guilty, stop right now. Your day is not ruined. You just had a bad morning. The biggest mistake we make when we waste a morning is adopting all or nothing mindset. We tell ourselves, well, half the day is gone anyway, so I'll just restart tomorrow. But tomorrow has already its own tasks. You don't need a fresh day to reset, you just need a fresh 5 minutes. Here are the exact 3-step reset to fix the rest of your day. Step 1. Change your physical environment. Get out of your bed, wash your face with cold water, or walk into a different room. You have to tell your brain the lazy phase is over. Step 2. Clear your screen. Put your phone in another room or turn off notifications for just 1 hour. Step 3. Do one micro task. Don't try to finish your whole to-do list. Just clean your desk, answer one email, or write one paragraph. Remember, momentum comes after action, not before. Saving half a day is infinitely better than wasting a full day. Pick your smallest task and start right now.